Hello dear student, welcome to our classes for the BCom first semester. So in previous class I have discussed the syllabus of that is company law and the administration. So you are having the another one subject for the BCom first semester, that is a business environment. So in this class I will discuss the syllabus of this business environment. Okay, so let us know about the first chapter, syllabus of the business environment. So under first chapter we will study about the meaning of business. So business is nothing but a person busy in any activity. Being busy in any activity is called as itself as a business anta karate. And another one is their characteristics and objectives of a business environment. So business environment, ಕೆಲವೊಂದಷ್ಟು characteristics, meaning and the definitions. That concept we will study under the first chapter. And another one concept is there types of business environment. So types of business environment nalli there are mainly classified into two types. One is internal environment and the external environment. So under external environment again it is classified into two types. One is macro and another one is their micro environmental factors. So there are some factors which are affected on the that is business environment. Those are internal and the external, and external are classified into two types. One is micro and another one is their macro. And there are some business decisions and the business environment. So this much of the concept we will study under the first chapter. So first chapter is related to the business environment, and there are some factors which are affected on the business environment, and there are some business decisions and the business environment. Okay. So second chapter is related to the economic and the natural environment. Economic and natural environment. So under this we will study about the meaning of the economic and the natural environment, economic system like capitalist, socialistic and the mixed, and economic policies. So there are some economical policies like fiscal policy, monetary policy. These are some the types of the some economic policies, and there are some economic factors which are affected on the business environment. And another one concept is the LPG. LPG is nothing but the liberalization, privatization and the globalization. So why the LPG came into existence? In the economical reforms in the year 1991. Why the LPG is introduced, and what are the advantages and the disadvantages of the introduction of this LPG? And another one concept is there natural environmental factors. ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕವಾಗಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೀತಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. So under political and legal environment we will study about the political and the legal. That can be divided about meaning, factors of the political factors which are affected on the that is business environment, and government role in the business environment. How the government will act under the what is business environment. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರೋಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, advantages and disadvantages of the government intervention in the business. And another one concept is the socio-cultural environment. Socio-cultural is nothing but the whatever customs, traditions, beliefs, festivals. If customs, tradition, festivals, beliefs ಮತ್ತು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, these are called as the socio-cultural ಅಂತ ಕರುತ್ತೆ. And these socio-cultural factors are affected on the business environment, and how they are affected. So that concept we will study under the third chapter only. Meaning, and there are some features. Socio-cultural environment. So under third chapter we will study about the political, legal and the socio-cultural factors which are affected on the business environment. And fourth chapter is related to the business ethics and the community services. Business ethics are nothing but these are called as the moral values anta karate. Moral ethics. Ethics is nothing but some moral values should be maintained in the business environment, like selling the goods at a reasonable price. It is one of the business ethics anta karate. Reasonable price nalli goods na customers ge provide ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದು ethics ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ethics ನ business environment ನಲ್ಲಿ maintain ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ. What do you mean by business ethics? And there are some benefits. Business ethics ನಿಂದ ಒಂದು maintain ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ benefits ಸಿಗ್ತದ. And there are some community services, meaning like benefits, types of community services, and there are limitations of the community services. Okay, so this much of the concept we will study under the fourth chapter. And the fifth chapter is related to the technological environment. So under technological environment, what we will study? Meaning of technological environment and what are the benefits. Nowadays 21st century nalli latest technology, industrial sector, each and every department nalli ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, all the sectors, ಎಲ್ಲ sectors ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, utilize ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So what are the benefits of these technological environment and what is the impact of this technology on the society, on the economy and on the plant. And there are some management of technology should be made in the business environment. So this is the concept we will study under the, that is fifth chapter. Okay, so this much of the syllabus under your business environment. So totally you are having the 5 topics. Okay, thank you.